Hello, my name is Hugh Beasley. I'd like to welcome you to our new office here in Marietta, Georgia. My wife and I have lived here over 30 years in Marietta and very familiar with the area. We've raised our family here. We buy houses in Cobb County, Georgia, Marietta, Kennesaw, surrounding areas, specializing in East Cobb. We're not real estate agents, so we can save the seller the real estate agency fee, which can be like $21,000 on a $300,000 home, so that's quite a savings to the seller. Plus, we can also save the seller the hassle of people walking through their house all the time on showings, and the seller having to keep their house always picked up and clean and everything for the showings, and people probably aren't going to buy their house anyway. So we can save them that selling directly to us. We close with a local closing attorney, and we pay the closing attorney fees. We have a website out there at Hugh And Melodie buyshouses.com. That's Hugh, H-U-G-H, and Melodie, M-E-L-O-D-I-E, buyshouses.com. So if you go out there and fill out a little information on what you're looking at for selling your house, we'd be happy to meet with you on free consultation and see what we can do for you. Usually we can get the seller everything that they're wanting and happy about, and usually appraised value or sometimes more in many cases. So again, here, Hugh Beasley in Cobb County, Georgia, Marietta, Kennesaw, East Cobb, and our website is Hugh, H-U-G-H, and Melodie, M-E-L-O-D-I-E, buyshouses.com. We appreciate your time. You have a great day, and God bless.